My name is Charles Wollertz, this is Wollertz Photography, and this is your stock photo news fix. Sorry, Jared, I had to try it. So, big news, Getty, Shutterstock, what's going on? A lot of people are freaking out. I've been getting emails, I've been getting comments. Everybody wants to know what's happening, and the truth is, we don't know anything. This merger could be the best thing that ever happened to stock contributors or the worst thing. Let's go back to what we know. We know that in 2006, Getty bought iStock. I didn't start stock photography until 2010, so I don't know how this affected contributors. If you were there, let me know what happened. What happened to iStock contributors when Getty took over? What I do know is that in 2015, Adobe bought Fotolia, however you pronounce it. That was the best move. For me, that was great. I had been a contributor of Fotolia for 5 years before that, and my sales were always consistent, but they were like 50 bucks a month. After Adobe took over, they skyrocketed. I'm over 300 bucks a month now. So that move was great. Now, earlier, Shutterstock bought Big Stock and Pond 5. They killed those two agencies. Big Stock doesn't even accept new contributors anymore. You can't even upload images. Pond 5, yeah, you get some sales here and there, and I keep uploading more and more, but nothing happens. That merge killed those two. The other thing that we know is that Shutterstock, even though it's my best performing agency, it's one of the greediest out there. They give us the 10 cents per photo. Then we have our contributor levels that reset every year. So it doesn't matter to them that I've licensed over 117,000 licenses with them. They don't care, they want to start fresh every year. That doesn't make any sense. Now, Getty. My sales in Getty are going up. Getty treats me better than Shutterstock does. So is this gonna be a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. We don't know until everything is settled. If you were there in 2006, let me know what happened then. I think we're all interested in first-hand experience. So if you were there, let us know in the comments. I'm very curious. And also, let me know what you think about this merger and how it's gonna affect the Shutterstock community, because I think we all wanna know. A lot of people are speculating. I get emails, texts, everyone's nervous. I don't think this is gonna be a bad thing. Now, as far as I'm concerned, AI was one of the worst things that could happen to the stock community. Yes, there's a need for it. Yes, it's adding more and benefiting a lot more people. But when it comes to just strictly photography, I think it has affected the industry a little bit. Now we don't know what's real and what's not. What I do know is that we're running out of time for those new submissions for the Wollertz Photography monthly contest that we're running here in the channel. Every month, the first Sunday of the month, we run a new contest with different themes, and you got a chance to win amazing prizes. So if you're interested, there's a link down below. I'm gonna leave this video here. And if you wanna learn a little bit more about photography, consider liking, subscribing, and doing all the stuff that we ask here on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. This was your photo news fix. I don't know how Jared does it. This is too much work.